Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your iPhone Ultra watch. First, make sure your iPhone is running the most recent iOS version and that Bluetooth is turned on. Then, power up your Apple Watch Ultra and hold it close to your iPhone. Your iPhone will display a prompt to start pairing. Simply follow these on-screen instructions, choosing whether to set it up for yourself or for a family member. This initial step is crucial for a smooth connection. Once paired, it's time to personalize your Apple Watch Ultra. Decide which wrist you'll wear it on, left or right, and ensure the band fits snugly. You'll then sign in with your Apple ID to unlock features like Apple Pay and access to the App Store. Next, configure your preferences for location services, Siri, and how you want to track your daily activity. Finally, install your favorite apps directly onto your watch. Now, let's dive into essential settings and features. Use the Watch app on your iPhone to customize watch faces, manage notifications, and add useful complications. If you have a cellular model, set up your cellular service to make calls and use data independently from your iPhone. Don't forget to configure emergency SOS and fall detection for your safety. Also, explore the Versatile Action button, which you can customize for quick access to your most used features. Sometimes, you might encounter a hiccup. If pairing doesn't work, try restarting both your iPhone and your Apple Watch Ultra. Make sure Wi-Fi is enabled on your iPhone for the best setup experience. Regularly check for software updates on both devices to ensure they remain compatible and perform optimally. If problems continue, unpair and then repair your watch. For persistent issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Apple support for expert assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.